Hello, and welcome to the Shasta College MyShasta tutorial. Today we're going to look at permissions. You'll notice there's two tiles, one for instructor consent and one for add authorizations. First, let's take a look at instructor consent. This section acts as an instructor consent to enter a class that has a limitation on enrollment, such as worksite learning, for example. Its limits in this section is that any and all requirements, including the add authorizations, are still enforced, and this does not bypass them. You'll see this section to add comments if you need to, and you can also search by student name or ID in this field here. Now that we've looked at instructor consent status, let's go back to faculty permissions and go over to add authorizations. In this Add Authorization section, keep in mind that it's the only way for students to be able to enter a section as of the section start date. Any and all other requisites are still enforced. If you need to revoke the student's add authorization, it will be highlighted in green and you can just click it and it will show up as revoked. That's it for the faculty permission section. Join me in the next video and we'll talk about waitlisting.